Welcome to Quantum's online training videos. In this video, we review basic operation of Quantum's RCU3000B Remote Controller. The ARC main controller is typically installed on the bridge for easy access. For limited control and status indication of underway stabilizer operations from other locations, Quantum offers a remote control, the RCU3000B. The RCU turns on automatically when the ARC main controller is turned on. Once powered up, the RCU illuminates and indicators provide system feedback to the operator. Like the ARC controllers, the fin movement and position can be visually assessed via the fin position LED indicators on the left and right extremes of the control face. The lights indicate the position of the port side fin on the left and the starboard side fin on the right. The fin's center position is indicated by the green middle light. In addition, 5 buttons are provided on the RCU face. The alarm button silences the alarm buzzer when the high oil temperature, low oil level, or filter clog alarm is triggered. Pressing the alarm button at the ARC main controller or any remote control unit will silence the buzzer at all locations. To clear the alarm condition must be corrected. The dim button changes the brightness of all lights and buttons on the remote control unit in 5 steps. The 3 middle buttons allow a user to transition between the 3 underway stabilizer operating modes: center, manual, and auto. When first started, the stabilizer system will automatically enter the center mode. In the center mode, hydraulic pressure is used to actively keep the stabilizers in their center or non-stabilizing position. In order to activate the stabilizers so that the fins begin to move to counteract roll motions, it is necessary to engage the auto or manual modes on the control. To engage the stabilizers in auto, simply press the auto button. In the auto mode, the control reads the roll position and velocity from the roll sensor, and together with recent roll history, determines the optimal fin activity to reduce vessel roll. Fin activity will be evident by the fin position LED indicators. For most situations, the auto mode will yield the best performance. Since there is no user interaction required to adjust any system settings in the auto mode, it also presents the least burden for the operator. In certain conditions, the auto mode may not interpret the vessel operating conditions appropriately, and the operator may feel that better performance is possible. The manual mode, engaged by pressing the manual button, enables the operator to optimize stabilizer performance based on his feel of the roll motions on board. Please note that adjustment of the settings in the manual mode is only possible via the rotary knobs of the ARC main controller. See the appropriate ARC operation summary or video for details. Regardless of whether the control is operated in the auto or manual mode, it is essential that the stabilizer system is engaged in the center mode for reversing operations, scenarios where slamming may occur, and during maneuvering. This requirement is for the safety of the equipment. In reversing situations, because the stabilizer fins have a larger area aft of the shaft, the danger exists that water flow backwards over the fins will force them to their maximum deflection, possibly causing equipment damage. This danger is minimized while the stabilizers are in their center mode. For vessels with high reversing speeds, above 5 knots or so, Quantum also recommends engaging the centering mechanism on the stabilizer hull units as an additional precaution. In heavy seas, if the stabilizer fins are located such that they may be exposed to slamming loads, Quantum recommends the stabilizer controller is left on and in the center mode with the centering mechanism on the stabilizer hull units not engaged. This will maintain the fins in the center position to minimize loading on the units, but will allow them to deflect in case slamming occurs. In these situations, it is recommended to reduce speed and change course to avoid damage to the stabilizer units. It is possible to transfer between the manual, auto, and center modes at any time while underway. Mode selection made at the ARC main control will indicate on the RCU and vice versa. To protect the equipment from damage, the stabilizer system will remain in the center mode during maneuvering operations, and during this time it will not be possible to select the auto or manual modes. If the stabilizer controller is in the auto or manual mode when maneuvering begins, the controller will automatically engage the center mode. Once maneuvering is complete, it will be possible to reselect auto or manual mode as desired. The controller engages center mode for maneuvering when both main engines are not in forward or if either main engine is in reverse. For vessels with dynamic positioning systems, the center mode is engaged when speed through the water reads less than 3 knots ahead. The RCU turns off automatically when the ARC main controller is turned off, and all lights on the RCU will go out, indicating the stabilizer system is shut down. Thank you for watching. For more in-depth information on operation and maintenance of quantum stabilizer systems, come to one of our training sessions at our Fort Lauderdale, Florida office, or contact us to arrange a training session on board your vessel. Contact information is available on our website at www.quantumhydraulic.com.